Office 365 Backup and Restore is the world's #1 email management app for Office 365 accounts. The software has two basic functionalities. One is Backup. That takes backup of Office 365 accounts to popular formats. And another is Restore. That enables you to restore your Outlook PST files to Office 365. Let's proceed to know these two options one by one. The Office 365 Backup options supports taking backup of the mailboxes from Office 365 and saves them to popular formats like PST, PDF, EML, MSG, MBOX, and many more, including all mailbox items such as emails, contacts, and calendars. The Office 365 Restore option helps users to upload Outlook PST files to Office 365 Cloud. It enables you to restore all vital data, like emails, contacts, calendars, notes, attachments, folder structures, accurately. The software provides full support for moving single PST, as well as multiple PST files. Let's start with Backup option. Download the software and launch it from desktop. Log in to Office 365 account. Type your account details and click the Next button. Select the Office 365 Backup option and proceed by clicking the Next button. Here, software will provide a brief preview of your account. You may also do selective conversion if you wish to select only specific folder by selecting or deselecting the folders from here. Select the location you want to save the extracted data and click the Next button. A window will appear with carrying sub-options. Here you can choose the output formats. Select items for selective backup options. You can add other options and date filters accordingly. When the desired setting is done, click on the Next button. After successful process, a message will appear reading Backup process is completed. Let's see how the restore process works. Log in to Office 365 account. Type your account details and click the Next button. Select the Office 365 Restore option from the first screen and click Next. Select the PST file you wish to restore to Office 365 Cloud. A window will appear with carrying sub-options. You can select categories, date filters, and other options like folder hierarchy. This option provides you choice, whether you want to restore the PST keeping the folder hierarchy or not. When the desired setting is done, click on the Next button. After successful process, a message will appear reading "Restore process is completed." After the conversion, just log in to the Office 365 account and navigate to the converted folder. You will then be able to access Outlook PST data in Office 365. These are the basic steps required to import or export Office 365 user accounts. For more details on CubexSoft Office 365 Backup and Restore software, visit our site. Thanks for watching.